The party of private credit has been happening globally. How relevant is it for India nowadays?
See, I'll tell you, private credit is a great vehicle in terms of channelizing credit to the real economy and diversifying sources of funding from the banking sector. So I think that is the preamble and the genesis that is here to stay. The issue comes is when there is free party going on and everybody worth his and her salt thinks that, you know, private credit is a medium for raising easy bucks as a manufacturer and everybody you know, wants to set up his or her shop and try to raise a couple of $1,000 and what happens is when there is a, it's a law of economics, right? When there is significant demand which is chasing too few credits, what happens is that you end up potentially mispricing a category or an asset class. So I think that's true for equities, that's true for startups, that's at different points in time. You know, there was this massive rage just after COVID, early 2021 or, you know, just late 2021, that late stage growth funds were very popular. And why they were popular? Because it was completely a fad and a craze, and you had the FOMO wali feeling. So, you know, if I miss out, I just miss out. So people saw Dhurandhar out of stress, saying that, you know, everybody's raving about it. It's such a big box office grosser. And even if the movie was great, but, you know, how many people have tolerance for a 4-hour movie? I mean, attention span is receding. So I'm saying that if structured nicely and well, see, US is facing its own challenge. That problem is not there in India. So, you know, we should not contaminate or we should not extrapolate that. So I think it's a great asset class. There is money to be made from every category, from everything. There are sectors which rightfully need money, and I think that need can be solved by private credit. I think as investors, we just need to be mindful of mispricing we are BARP, B-A-R-P, buy at a reasonable price. We are not BARP, buy at any price. Whether it's for equity or for credit, I think the same norm holds good.